Hey everybody, this is Dave. Welcome back to the channel. This next camera that I'm going to use is called an Ansco. It's a A1 folding camera. I have it folded out now and the bellows looks in great shape. I'm trying not to fold it in and out too often because I do not want to compromise anything else happening to this. I took it into a dark room, shot a light through the back, and I think there's a leak right around this area, which I may put something over that to keep that from affecting my shots. I cannot find a hell of a lot about this camera in general. It shares a similar name to a camera by Kodak at about the same time. And what time is that? So on the back panel, which I already have off, there's a few patent numbers. Hopefully you can see it. The patents are from 1909 to 1916. One unique thing about this camera is the wood paneling. I've not found any other examples like this on the internet. People, collectors, people like that. And this kind of brass hardware for the view scope and around the lens here. Other than that, it looks like a lot of similar cameras of the day, both the Kodak version and the Ansco version, except for the wood paneling. It takes one 16mm film, and you can still get 120 film. And what I did was, I don't know if you can see this very well, got these little adapters here. They're just little plastic 3D printed adapters that help mount this inside. Problem is I need another set, and but yeah, there you go. It would look like that.